Hand-drawn Hank, yeah! 13! It's episode 13! Let's go! Woo! Hi, everybody. If you follow my Instagram account, you may have noticed that I recently went to the Crocodile Park in Agadir, Morocco. It was awesome! But then I got to thinking, why do crocodiles sometimes sit with their mouths wide open? Let's see if you can help me find the answer. We have 3 choices. A, B, or C. Choice A. It turns out that crocodiles are the longest, slowest, most silent yawners in the whole world. So when they sit with their mouths wide open, they're actually letting out extremely long and extremely silent yawns. Maybe? Choice B. Crocodiles leave their mouths open to let heat out of their bodies. Well, maybe it's not that extreme. Maybe more like this. By leaving their mouths open and letting heat out, they make themselves cooler. Maybe? Option C. Crocodiles sit with their mouths open as a trap to try and catch prey. They sit there and wait and don't move. And then when an unsuspecting animal walks through their jaws, mealtime!
Works every time.
Maybe? So, what do you think it is? Option A, the crocodiles are yawning. Option B, the crocodiles are cooling themselves down. Or option C, they're setting a trap to catch some food. Say your answer out loud now. Ready, go! If you said option B, you are correct! Good job! It turns out crocodiles are ectothermic, which means their temperature is controlled by the environment around them. Also, crocodiles don't sweat. So if they need to cool off, one thing they can do is mouth gape, like this. It's kind of like when a dog goes with his tongue hanging out of its mouth. Guess what? It's drawing time! Drawing time! Hi, everybody. For today's drawing time, we're gonna draw a crocodile. Let's go. First, let's start with those crocodile eyes. Easy peasy. There's one. There's 2. Good job. Next, we're gonna draw some little bumps on top of the eyes to show that thick crocodile skin. Like this. Looking good. Good job. Next, we're going to draw the crocodile snout. And we're going to draw that bump by bump by bump. Just like this. Bump. 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 Good job. And then we're going to draw the crocodile's big nostrils. That's just going to be 2 bumps. 2, and it comes all the way down, just like that. Good job. A couple little circles, there. Now the top of the snout is pretty much done. We're just gonna draw a little line, and then we're gonna bring the line all the way back. We're gonna make our crocodile happy. Next, we're gonna draw the crocodile's chin. Just like that. Good job. And then we bring it all the way up and all the way around. Ta-da! And now we've drawn most of our crocodile's head. Easy peasy. Good job. Next, we're gonna draw some teeth. Draw one like that. Maybe one down there. We'll draw 2 coming up, and then 1 more coming down. Awesome! I love it! Next, we're gonna draw the back of the croc's neck. No problem there. We're gonna draw one big hump for his back. Good job! And then we're gonna draw his tail coming over and curving down and around, just like this. And you can stop right there for now. We'll come back and finish that later. Next, let's draw the front crocodile arm, just like this. Bump, bump, good job. One line, whoop, one line, whoop, and a little bump for an elbow. Whoop, little crocodile elbow. Now let's draw our crocodile's hands. One bump, another bump, and then we just go 1, 2, 3, and draw little claws. Guess what? It's time to shade. Here we go. I love it. Next, draw a little line right here. Looking good. Now we're gonna draw our crocodile's back leg. 1, little knee. Whoop. Good job. And then we draw 1 and 2. Nice job. And then we're gonna draw a little heel. 1, bump, bump, bump. 1, 2, 3, and now it's time to shade. Good job. Next, we're gonna draw the bottom of the tail, just like this. And then we're gonna draw that coming all the way back up to the back of the leg. So we'll draw one piece from the leg and then bring that tail line down and in. Good job. Now let's draw the belly. Ta-da! Awesome! Draw those nice little belly lines that we like so much. Now we're gonna draw some of the lines on the bottom of the tail over here, because we would see that if it folded over. Looking good. Let's draw his other front hand, just like we did the first. Let's shade. I think we'd see a little bit of his back leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Line, line. Good job. Now we're gonna draw the spikes on the crocodile's back. Easy peasy, just like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop. And actually, if you think about it, those spikes would continue down like this. Looking good. And look what we did. We drew an amazing crocodile. Good job. Now, let's color. Way to go! Woohoo! Remember, if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe below. And this has been Hand Drawn Hank! Woo! Hand Drawn Hank, yeah!